Hello students, good morning, how are you? Hope everything is okay. Today we are going to answer Model Exam 1. Revise your lessons first and then watch the video. Let's start with the first question. We're going to read and choose the correct answer between brackets. Number 1. The weather is warmer, colder, or warm in summer than it is in winter. Here we have got the word than, so we're going to choose warmer with adding ed. Number 2. People wear jackets, sweaters, sweats, snowman in winter. In winter, the weather is very cold, so we have to wear heavy clothes. We cannot wear sweets because we eat it. We cannot wear the snowman, we build it. So the correct answer is sweaters. Number 3. There are 4 months, seasons, weeks in a year. Each one is special. The correct answer, seasons. So who can tell me how many months do we have in the year? Excellent, 12. Okay, number 4. Tina had 3 hats for windy or sunny days last summer. We can't wear hats in windy weather or windy days because they will fly. So the correct answer is sunny. Number 4. We stayed in the biggest, bigger hotel in Canada. Here we have got the word the, so we're comparing between one and many. So we have to choose biggest by adding est to the adjective. Number 6. Camelia wanted to draw a picture. She didn't know how to draw it. Okay, we have here 2 different ideas. She wanted to draw the picture. She didn't know how to draw it. So we have to choose but. We use and when we are talking about 2 same ideas, and we use or if you are choosing between 2 choices. Number 7. Okay, was she was, is she tired last night? Look at the end of the line. What do we have here? Excellent, it's a question mark. So this is a question. We have to start with verb to be. If we read the sentence, if we read the question, we will find here the word last, so it happened in the past. So shall we choose was she or is she? Excellent, the correct answer was she. Number 8. We went home, it got dark and cloudy, then it rained. Okay, this is the reason. So before saying the reason, we should say because. We went home because it got dark and cloudy, then it rained. Number 9. The children went, go to the museum yesterday. So when does this action happen? Does it happen every day or it happened at the past? Excellent, it happened yesterday. So we have to choose the past tense here. So the children went to the museum. Number 10. London Eye or Big Ben is a big clock in London. So easy. Can you guess the answer? Super. Big clock, so we're going to choose Big Ben. If you remember, what is London Eye? It's the big wheel. Okay, 11. Grandma packed the suitcase 2 hours ago. So it happened in the past. We have to choose the past form of the verb. Which one? The second packed or the third packed? We have to add ed to the end of the verb. So packed, the second one, is the correct answer. Number 12. Oh no, it's a big line. It's so hunger, scary, or friendly. Okay, hunger is a noun, so we cannot choose hunger. The line isn't friendly, so the correct answer is scary. 13. My parents hate stayed, or stay up late. As we said before, after hate, love, like, and these words, we add ing to the verb to change it from a verb into a gerund or a noun. So the correct answer is staying. 14. This fish has a lot of buttons, bones, desert in it. So easy. Excellent, bones. 15. My cousins carried my heavy bag last Monday. They were very kind. Last Monday, it happened in the past, so we have to choose carried. Since the verb ends with letter Y, we're going to drop letter Y and write IED. Okay, the next question, you're just going to write the missing letters. Study spell well so hard. The first word is museum. The missing letters are E and U. The second one is buildings, U and I. If you get confused, you can just write the word above the question. Okay, the next question, we are going to read the passage and correct the verb between brackets. First, before answering, you have to know when does this action happen. Does it happen in the past or is it happening now? Okay, the first word is yesterday. So these actions happened in the past. So we're going to change the verb from its basic form to the past form. Let's read the first one. Yesterday, space, be, Saturday. Be here means verb to be. So who can tell me what's verb to be in the past? In the past. Okay, it's was or where. Okay, here I have Saturday, just one day, so we're going to write was. Yesterday was Saturday. My sister and I be at my friend's party. My sister and I equals we. So what shall we write? Was or where? Where. Some children dance in the sitting room. The word dance ends already with letter E, so we're just going to add D. My friend opened the presents. Okay, so it will be opened. He very happy. He was. And the last one, I go to the party because I love him. The past of go is went. Okay, the next question, we have here some mistakes in each sentence. One mistake in each sentence. We are going to correct this mistake. Number one, Tom walked to school yesterday. Okay, we have here missing letter. Can you guess the letter? Excellent, letter E. We should add ed to the verb walk to change it to the past form. Number two, my parents have dinner together last weekend. It happened in the past, so we have to change have to had. Number three, Mom were tired last night. Mom equals she, so we should use was. Number four, was the pupils at the museum yesterday? Read carefully. The pupils, they are many, not only one, so we should write were. Number five, Peter is the taller boy in my classroom. Do you remember when we were comparing between many and we have got the word the? What should we add to the adjective? Excellent, est. So it will be Peter is the tallest boy in my classroom. Okay, now to the story. Please, before answering the questions, revise the story very well. We are going to complete these sentences from the text box. Let's read the words. Dog, author. Author, it means writer, the person who writes stories. Letter, the letter is the written message. And the last one, biologist. Biologist means scientist or the person who studies animals and plants. Number one, Jane Cadwallader is of the story. She's the writer of the story, so we're going to choose author. And after writing the answer, cross it from the text box. Okay, number two, Dr. Silver is a biologist. Number three, Grumpy is a dog. And number four, Uncle Jack got a letter from his daughter. Okay, now to the essay questions. Please, you have to read the question carefully and answer using full answers. Number one, what did Dr. Silver tell Uncle Jack in the letter? So, Dr. Silver told Uncle Jack, "Dear Dad, some people from the city are cutting down the forest. Some Amazon Indians are helping them. It's terrible." Number two, why are 5 heads better than 1? Many answers are possible in this question. You can write your own answer. For example, you can say 5 heads are better than 1 because together we think better and come up with better solutions. Or you can say because we can share ideas, or any other answer which will be possible. Okay. The reading comprehension, please read it very well before answering the questions. Okay? You can pause the video, read it, and then play it. Okay, the first one, we are going to write T for true. True means correct, or F for false. False means wrong. Number one, Japan has the fastest train in the world. Okay, let's check the comprehension. There is the fastest train in the world, and they also make robots. So the answer is T. True. Number 2. In Japan, people don't like rice. If we read the text, we will find that they eat rice even in their breakfast. So the answer is false. Number 3. In Osaka, there aren't any restaurants. Refer back to the text and think about the answer. Excellent. The answer is false. They have got many restaurants there. Okay, now we are going to read an answer using full answers. Number 1. What do people eat with Japan? Do they use spoons, forks, or chopsticks? Excellent. People eat with chopsticks in Japan. Number 2. What is the best thing you like about Japan? You can write your own answer. For me, I like Osaka because I like tall buildings, and Osaka has many tall buildings. The last question, find in the passage one word. This question you have to get out, or to find in the passage just one word. The meaning of this word is the first meal of the day that you eat in the morning. So here you're just going to write one word. So what is the meal that we eat it in the morning? The answer is breakfast. Okay, the last question here, you're going to write a paragraph about last summer. Please read the question carefully because you have to know which tense are you going to use. Here we are going to write about last summer holiday, so we are going to use the verbs in the past form. You're going to write about the weather, clothes you wear, and things you do, places you went, and so on. Here are some guiding words, you can use them. Hot, sunny, beach, cinema, mall, hotel, sea, club, play, swim, go shopping, travel, meet friends, and have fun. Okay, there is an example. Before writing the paragraph, you have to leave a space on the first line. It's called an indent. And don't forget that we start with capital letters and we end the sentence using full stops. Your handwriting should be good. Okay, I went to Hurghada last summer. So the first sentence you should say or tell me which place did you visit. So I went, I changed go to went because it happened in the past. I went to Hurghada last summer. Full stop, and then I started with capital letter. The weather was hot and sunny. Was because it happened in the past. I played volleyball on the beach. Played in the past, we added ed. I swam in the sea. Swam in the past of swim. I met my friends. Met in the past of meet. We went to the cinema. We had much fun. I enjoyed my holiday. Okay, there are some more words. You can write more sentences by your own. Okay, thank you for watching. Study hard. Bye.